The favorite is difficult to say. It's going to be the one that plays better in Lisbon. Favoritism is related to history, the past, names. In football, it really doesn't matter anymore. You need to score and you need to create more opportunities. The best team in Lisbon will be the one that qualifies. Not because Benfica is a big team or Bayern is a big team. We won here. They could have been the winner as well. Now it's all about the second match. This was the first match. We came with a strategy and the players executed it very well. I'm proud because we had a great performance and we showed our identity and we showed personality on the pitch today. It's not easy because many teams come here and concede plenty of goals. At the end, I'm not happy about the result, but I'm glad about the personality and the performance that we put on display this evening.